Hindi nagamit yung baril. Naputulan pa ng daliri yung isa. Tapos, after mangyari yun, hindi nakapagsalita agad yung mga ahensya ng gobyerno natin. Tapos, mukhang tayo pa yung unang nag-downplay ng incident by virtue of the Bersamin press conference. What do you say to that? Mukhang tayo napahiya dito sa episode na ito.
Ako, Sir Christian, for me, this is a learning experience sa ating buong national government and for different agencies that support the National Task Force West Philippine Sea and the National Maritime Council. We have so many things that we have learned from this operation. And ang mga kamalian man natin or mga tamang natutuhan natin sa nakaraang insidente definitely made the National Task Force West Philippine Sea and this administration much more stronger in responding to different types of threats sa mga susunod na panahon.